Industrial chemicals are used across manufacturing, processing, and maintenance to support a huge range of day-to-day operations. They play a central role in cleaning, blending, and process optimization. At ReAgent, we manufacture and supply industrial chemicals for general purpose and specialist use. Our products are used in areas including component prep, fluid handling, water treatment, and surface cleaning. We produce and blend acids, alkalis, solvents, surfactants, and water-based solutions for use across multiple sectors. Whether your processes are routine or highly customized, we supply the chemicals that keep them running smoothly. We offer flexible chemical solutions with a focus on quality, consistency, and fast delivery. Batch sizes range from small packs to bulk shipments, all with traceability and technical support built in. We hold ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certifications, and our quality assurance team checks every batch before dispatch. Whatever your application, ReAgent provides dependable chemical manufacturing for industrial use. Get in touch to see how we can help.